You thinking about getting into wigs? A body wave wig is key if you are starting out wearing wigs. Like if you're new to wigs and you're thinking about getting into it, first wig that you should get is a body wave wig. For the simple fact, it's so versatile. Like you can do so many different looks just with this one wig. Just this one wig. That's all you need. Alright, so the hair we'll be working with today will be listed down in the description if you're interested in purchasing this unit. So we're going to jump straight into this install. Alright, so jumping right in, I'm going to take some lace glue and begin applying my layers. I always apply 3 layers of the lace glue. One thing I noticed about this particular lace glue that I'm using is that it takes a while for the glue to dry down clear. Now, I don't know if it's just me being impatient or what, but I found that if I use a handheld fan, that the glue dries clearer faster rather than me using a blow dryer. The only downside about using a handheld fan is that you gotta be super careful and pay close attention, because if you don't, yeah, that can happen. But it's all good though. It ain't nothing a handy dandy comb can't fix. By the way, if you have not yet hit that subscribe button with the bell notification, go ahead and do that now, babe. What are you waiting for? It's nothing but good vibes here. But yeah, now that the glue is clear, I'm going to take the lace and push it right onto where I applied the glue, and using my fingertips to further help push it in. Then I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to comb it back, doing the same technique, pulling the lace down and pushing the lace into the glue. Now you see me here taking an edge melting band to melt the lace down some more. I leave the melting band on for 15 minutes. Now I'm taking my Ruby Kisses cream foundation to help the lace blend better with my skin. Okay, so next, I part the hair in small sections, then use my wax stick, and then I'm going to hot comb it. The wax stick is used to make the hair look pressed through and to get the hair really, really flat. So if you want a flat wig install, baby, don't be afraid to use that wax stick, okay? Now, after I hot comb the hair, next I'm just going to go ahead and start my first Bantu knot. I just got 2 rubber bands and pull the hair up into a ponytail. And I'm making sure I go nice and slow because I want the knot to be perfect. Now I'm going to spray some lace adhesive spray and then just twist the hair and just wrap it around. And to secure the knot, I just get another rubber band and put the rubber band around the Bantu knot. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and repeat those same steps. I'm going to use my hot comb, then spray and twist the hair to make sure that it stays in place. And then I'm going to put the elastic band around it to secure it. Alright, I'm not going to do too much more talking. I'm going to just let you guys watch me finish the other side, and I'll be back once it's done. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Bantu knots or ninja buns, I don't know. I think it's super cute. I like the turnout. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know, comment down below, let me know like what kind of video you guys want to see next from me. Yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you are returning, you already know what it is. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.